Welcome to the ultimate guide to the best pickleball paddles of 2025. Whether you're stepping onto the court for the first time or gunning for that 5.0 rating, your paddle can make or break your game. At Consumer Heaven, we tested over 200 paddles this year across indoor and outdoor courts with pros and passionate amateurs. This isn't just another top 5 list, it's your full playbook. So grab your paddle hand and let's jump into it. Number 1. Best Overall Paddle, Selkirk Halo Power Max. First up, the best overall paddle of 2025, the SLK Halo Power Max from Selkirk. This thing is built for balance, power, spin, control, all in one sleek frame. It's powered by a T700 raw carbon fiber face and a 13mm Rev Core power polymer core that gives you pop without sacrificing touch. It's tournament-ready, USPA approved, and the SLK faux leather grip is one of the most comfortable grips we tested. Great for intermediate to advanced players, balanced weight, 7.7 to 8.0 ounces, raw spin technology delivers ridiculous topspin, super soft feel at the net, power when you need it. If you want one paddle to do it all, this is it. Number 2. Best Budget Pick, Selkirk Atlas Max Set. Looking for a great paddle without breaking the bank? The Selkirk Atlas Max Bundle delivers serious value. You get 2 raw carbon fiber paddles, 3 balls, and a carry bag. Each paddle has a Rev Control honeycomb core, a large sweet spot, and a balanced mid-weight design that's forgiving for beginners but still has enough pop for developing players. Perfect for families, beginners, or casual players. Raw spin tech included, at this price, that's rare. Paddles weigh around 8 ounces, solid for all playstyles. Textured face adds spin even on soft shots. If you're just starting out or want a reliable backup set, this bundle is unbeatable. Number 3. Best Power Paddle, JOOLA Ben Johns Hyperion. Power players, this one's for you. The Ben Johns Hyperion is designed in collaboration with the world #1 himself. It's got a carbon abrasion surface, CAS, that grips the ball like glue, and the hybrid ply layering adds depth and control. But the real kicker is the 16mm response polymer core. It gives you explosive energy on every drive and serious feel in your hand. Pro-level build for aggressive play, extreme spin from textured surface, shock-absorbing shore grip handle, used by top-ranked players. If you love to attack, rip forehands, and hit passing shots, this is your weapon. Number 4. Best Spin Paddle, JOOLA Radius Pro. The JOOLA Radius Pro is the ultimate spin paddle. With its carbon grip surface, CGS, and a ping-pong-inspired shape, this paddle gives you insane spin potential and the largest sweet spot we tested. It's perfect for players who want to slice, dink, and shape every shot. Massive control thanks to 16mm core, spin-friendly grip texture, soft moisture-wicking handle, great touch for drop shots and resets. If you're a finesse player or spin artist, this is your paddle. Number 5. Best Control Paddle, Selkirk Amped S2. Coming in next, the best paddle for control, the Selkirk Amped S2. Handcrafted in the USA, this paddle features a FiberFlex fiberglass face and a thick X5 polypropylene honeycomb core that absorbs vibration like a dream. The short handle gives it the largest face area of any paddle on this list. Best paddle for resets and soft shots. Huge surface equals fewer mishits. Vibration dampening core feels buttery smooth. Trusted by Selkirk pro players. If you're a control-first player or love dominating the kitchen line, this paddle is made for you. How to choose the right paddle. Let's talk about how to choose the right paddle for your game. Skill level. Beginners need wider faces and softer cores. Advanced players may prefer elongated shapes and raw carbon faces. Weight. 7.5 to 7.9 ounces equals better control. 8.0 ounces equals more power but heavier. Grip size. Smaller grips give more wrist action, more spin. Short handles give more face space. Long handles allow two-handed backhands. Surface texture. Carbon equals max spin and durability. Fiberglass equals softer feel. Smooth equals less spin, more placement. Pro tip: always test if you can or buy from a seller with easy returns. Final verdict and recommendations. All right, let's wrap it up with our top picks. Best overall, SLK Halo Power Max. Best budget, SLK Atlas Max set. Best power, JOOLA Hyperion. Best spin, JOOLA Radius Pro. Best control, Selkirk Amped S2. If this video helped you pick your next paddle, drop a like, subscribe for more tested gear reviews, and check the links in the description to grab yours. Catch you next time, and until then, keep dinking, dropping, and dominating.